Hello guys, my name is Khalid. Today I'll be showing you how to create an EC2 instance on Amazon AWS. So let's get started. I am currently present on the aws.amazon.com web page. So I'm clicking on sign into console. Okay, so there are two options, sign in option. One is the root user and one is the IAM user. So currently I am logging in with this root user option. So I've already entered my email here, so I'm pressing next. So let me enter a password here. So I've now logged into my AWS management console. Here I'll press the EC2 button here. You can also locate it from the search box by writing EC2. Here's the EC2 virtual server in the cloud. Okay, so let me press instances. Okay, fine. So an EC2 instance is nothing but a virtual server basically in Amazon Web Services terminology. It stands for Elastic Compute Cloud. It's an Amazon Web Service that provides secure and resizable compute capacity in the cloud. And it is designed to make a web scale cloud computing easier for developers. So let me create a new EC2 instance by clicking on launch instance. Here, launch instance. Now here, step one is to choose an AMI. So here I am choosing the Ubuntu operating system, which is right at the bottom here. Ubuntu server 20.04. So I'm creating an EC2 instance of this operating system. So select. The second step is to choose an instant type. So for free tier, this option, you can see that free tier eligible option is selected where there's one CPU of 2.5 gigahertz and 1 GB of RAM. So I am pressing next. Step 3 is to configure instant details. For time being, I am leaving it as it is. I'm pressing next, add storage. Now here, by default is showing me 8 GB. I can give it 10 GB or 15 GB or up to 30 GB. For free tier, you are allowed up to 30 GB of storage to add. So I'm making it 15 and press next. So you can add a tag here. Let me add a tag by name and the value is PC. Next. So here you can configure a security group. So let me write a security group by new security group, new SG. These are the protocol rules. By default, 22 is for the SSH. 22 port is basically for SSH, with which you log into your console. So let me review and launch. So here you can review all the steps of the operating system, then the instance, then the security group assigns, then the storage detail, 15 GB of storage, and then you can press launch. Alright, so here you can create a new key pair. So I'm creating a new key pair for logging to our EC2 instance from SSH. So let me write new key, for example. So I'll download key pair. Okay, so now I'll press launch instances. Here I'll press view instance. So now in my dashboard, I'm seeing that a new PC is created with an instance ID and it's currently the pending state. So if I click on it, so I'll have to wait for 1 minute, and this I think it's done. This is a public IP address of to log in to the console of this PC. So for logging in, we will use the SSH software, which is MobaXterm, which is currently installed on my system. This is the software. But before that, I have downloaded this from the website MobaXterm, then mobaxterm.mobatech.net. Click on this one, and then here go to the download section, and here you can download the free edition by download it now. So I've already done it and install it on my system. Alright, so here I'll press on this session since I want to log into the console of the EC2 instance. Here I'll click on SSH remote host. So here I will write the IP, the public IP address of the instance, which is this one. Copy it, and then I'm pasting it here. The username for our instance is Ubuntu, and the port is 22 since we are using the SSH. One more thing, and that's important, is that for advanced SSH setting, the key which we have downloaded, the private key, we will use it here. We'll just browse to that location, a downloads folder. Uh, this is the key which we have downloaded, new-key.pem. Basically, it's a PEM file. So open it. So now we have entered three things. One is the remote host IP, second is the username, and third is the PEM file which we downloaded. So let's press OK. So it's now authenticating. Alright, so we have logged in to our EC2 instance. This is the message. Currently, there are no files or folders on this system. So this was all about this video of how to create an EC2 instance, and which is currently the running state, and logging to the console using the MobaXterm SSH software. So I hope you enjoyed this video.